Alright everybody, so today's video is going to be about Crown Credit Pro, and the reason I'm doing a video about them is because somebody reached out to me and wanted me to look over their report. Said they paid Crown Credit Pro $2,000 to work on their credit since last year, and I think just a couple inquiries come off. But as you can see from these screenshots, they are doing a credit sweep. They have done the whole identity theft. You can see it again from these screenshots. But I also recorded some of their website just to show you their prices and what forms of payment they accept. So after this quick intro, I'm going to show y'all their website. Alright, so we are now on the Crown Credit Pro website. It's pretty much a basic website. But if you go to frequently asked questions, and then you go down to payment method, they accept payments via Zelle and Cash App, and that's it. That is a huge red flag. A real legit business, and I say this all the time, accepts debit cards and credit cards. Now let's see if I can find the pricing for y'all, because it's pretty crazy actually. So it actually goes all the way up to $4,000. $1,000 per bureau, or if you do all three bureaus, it's $2,500. If you want them to rush the credit repair process, which nobody has control over rushing it, but hey, if it makes a sale, these are the types of things y'all got to look out for these scammers. I mean, this is a well-known company, and I know a lot of you are probably familiar with the Credit Plug on YouTube. He talks about them a lot. He gives them a lot of praise, and it's obvious they're either paying him or he just doesn't know how they operate.
Don't look now, but we have a problem. What are we going to do about it?